This puzzle is really funny. Black is really close to the stalemate. A lot of players would get stuck on the line h7, takes, and they would get a new queen, and then this is just a stalemate. Or they would try to do something with the bishop, but none of that works. So the solution is h7, takes, and we get a knight. And after g3, the only move, knight g6, takes the early move, and again get a new knight. Takes, we just keep getting knights. And now maybe you say, hey, enough with knights, let me get a new queen. But actually, the only way to win is to get a new knight again. And yes, black is gonna get a new queen, but a checkmate is a better thing than having a queen.